I'm in an Audi RS3 saloon, and next to me is the new Jaguar I-Pace, and we're going to have a drag race. Yeah, it seems a bit odd, doesn't it? But there is a reason for it. You see, this car has 400 horsepower. That car also has 400 horsepower. Admittedly, that makes its horsepower from electric motors. This from a 2.5 litre 5-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine. Now, before we get into the race, what I want you to do is make sure you subscribe to this channel. Also, even if you're already subscribed, please check to see if you've got your notifications turned on. You have to do that by hitting the bell icon, because if you haven't got your notifications turned on, you won't always be alerted when we make a new upload, and you don't want to be missing out on great races such as this, do you? Also, check out our Instagram channel, Carwow Cars. You can see all behind the scenes footage and clips and photography there. Right, let's get on with it. It's close, but I am starting to get a lead now over the Jaguar. Very close, neck and neck to begin with, but then Petrol Power wins the day. This car is bonkers fast.
So then, the Audi RS3 did the standing quarter mile in 12.2 seconds. The I-Pace got off the line really quickly with the instant power from its electric motors, but after that it was always dropping back. It did the standing quarter mile in 13.1 seconds. Now though, it's time for the next challenge.
We're going to have a rolling race now. We're going to get up to 50 miles an hour, and then I'm going to count it in, and we're both going to floor the throttle, see what happens. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, it took a while for this dual clutch gearbox to kick down, and that Jag's gone. But now I'm reeling him in. Come on, Audi, come on. Yes, goodbye. Took a while. This thing had to kick down. That obviously responded instantly. It's got almost 700 Newton meters of torque, that thing. This has got 480, but it's lighter, weighs 1.5 tons, that's 2.1 tons, and horsepower wise they're the same, 400 horsepower, 400 horsepower. So once the gearbox got itself sorted out, this started to pull hard, and that was that. Now we're going to do a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the cone, full emergency stop. Now I think I'm going to win this because this car weighs 1,500 kilos, that 2,100. So here comes the cone. Oh, yes, I did win, but not by quite the margin I was expecting. Yeah, I think that's a victory for the RS3 by a couple of meters. Weight, it's all to do with weight. That's a bit heavy, just is. Batteries, you see, it's a problem. Hey guys, how would you like an Amazon gift card worth £50? Yeah, like that? Well, if you know of anyone who's looking to buy a new car, click on the Refer a Friend box just over there, or on the link below the video, to refer them to carwow.com. Now, if they buy a car through us, they can save over £3,500 and you'll get the gift card. It's easy.